Apple claims that iOS 12 is a big leap forward. Starting with appearance, user interface, gestures, speed, iOS 12 comes back with a lot of new stuff. But how about using iOS 12 on an iPhone 6? Maybe you're kind of hesitant to upgrade, taking into account the battery issues that iOS 11 came with. But I've been using beta versions of iOS 12 on my iPhone 6, and I would say I'm kind of satisfied with this. However, I would like to give you a first-hand experience on this, and if you're planning to upgrade, maybe this video might be of use to you. Firstly, this is the signature wallpaper of iOS 12. It comes in along with your upgrade, and this is the only thing that makes it obvious that you've upgraded. So go ahead, change your wallpaper first if you've not already done, or if it doesn't already show up. Okay, it's right there. Okay, and the next thing you might want to notice is the status bar. Okay, but there's nothing new. It stays the same. The same old network on the top right corner and the battery status on the top left. Okay, and I'm checking if the app switcher works. Well, it doesn't. It's the same old control center that comes up if you swipe up from bottom, and the notification center that comes down if you swipe down from the top. So regarding the user interface, there is not any significant change to the ones I previously had with the iOS 11. But there is something that I noticed. As you can see, the apps open pretty fast. I think there is at least a 50% increase with the speed in which the apps get to open. Okay, this is what I was expecting for a long time since the iOS 11, as upgrading to iOS 11 had a negative impact on the performance of my iPhone. So this is a plus for iOS 12. Okay, on going to settings, you'll find a whole new section called the screen time. This is something new to Apple. Screen time monitors where you spend time on your iPhone, just as a reflection to how productive you are. Something interesting. Okay, something needed for today. And one more thing you get with the upgrade is the bedtime mode. That's inside the not disturb. So basically, when you switch on bedtime mode, the lock screen will dim, the calls get silenced, the notifications will appear in the notification center until scheduled do not disturb ends. Okay, that should be of good utility. And another very useful thing that I noticed was there is this facility for screen recording. That is under Control Center, and inside Customize Controls, I scroll down and I can find screen recording over here. Okay, I've already turned it on. So basically, before iOS 12, we were only able to do a screenshot, but now we can do a screen recording. So once I have included screen recording into my control center, I go back to my home screen and then open the control center, and here's the button for screen recording. So once I click it, it gives a 3-second countdown and starts recording. So I guess all these get recorded. Okay, I stop recording and says it gets automatically saved to photos. Okay, let me check what I just recorded. Going to photos and okay, here it is. Okay, this is what we recorded, but I have to find some use for this. This is pretty new. Okay. With this brief introduction to iOS 12 running on iPhone 6, I would like to add up that my battery performance on using all the iOS 12 beta versions were better than what it was when I was using iOS 11. So that's something positive to iOS 12. So I recommend you to upgrade. Don't hesitate. Go ahead and start exploring iOS 12. With that being said, I will sign off. If you're watching this video until now, thanks a lot for that. Please subscribe to support, and until I see you again in my next video, goodbye.